Hello dear friends, today we are discussing about one cue card. The name of the cue card is describe one of your family members you spend the most time with. Before entering into the cue card, I welcome all of you to my channel. If you are not subscribed and if you are watching the first time, please subscribe and press the bell button. So first of all, if I had to talk about myself, let us enter into the cue card. So if we getting a question like this, we can answer the question in the following way. If I had to talk about myself, I would say I am very reserved person and it takes a lot of time to become familiar with strangers. However, I love spending time with my family. I am very close to both my parents, but as we are all working, as they are working and I am studying, it is hard for us to spend time together. The person I do spend a lot of time together with is my nephew, my sister's child. He is nearly 5 years old. He is very special to me. There are many reasons for that. Firstly, everyone says that he looks like me, and secondly, we both like spending time with each other. I think the reason for that is we feel very comfortable with each other. I get to act like a child around him, and I miss being a child. He is also like me, very shy with strangers, and he is very naughty, just like I was in my childhood. Spending time with him reminds me of my childhood in some ways. In my childhood, I was in a hurry to grow up, but now I sometimes wish I could reserve time and bring back my childhood. There are so many things we do together, but something that we really enjoy doing is to play pranks on Diba, my sister, and his mother. I think we can do that all day long. We also both love eating chocolates, so whenever we can, we try to buy and eat chocolates secretly. However, I do get scolded sometimes as I am the adult. I also have a dog, and so we both like playing with her. We love taking her out on walks and feeding her. In the evening, I take my nephew to the park and just spend time on the swings there. Sometimes I wish he would always remain a child, but I know that that is not going to happen even if I wish for it a million times. Thank you. This is the end of this cue card. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and press the bell button and share your comments at the bottom. Thank you.